Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amplitude cohorts for product analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Amplitude account. Navigate to the Cohorts section from the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Cohort button. You will be prompted to name your cohort. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the user behavior you want to analyze. Select the Users or Events option based on your analysis needs. For user-based cohorts, you can filter by user properties. Add filters based on attributes like age, location, or sign-up date. For event-based cohorts, refer to specific events. Select the event you wish to include in your cohort. Set the desired timeframe for user actions. Choose between options like last 30 days or last 7 days. Utilize the Add Condition feature to refine your cohort further. Select the condition type, such as has done or has not done. Specify the exact event or user property related to the condition. Review your conditions to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied with your filters and conditions, click on Save. Your new cohort is now created. You can view and edit this cohort later by returning to the Cohorts section. Consider using this cohort in your product analytics analysis. Analyze the metrics associated with this cohort to gain insights. Utilize these insights to inform product decision-making. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.